I unwind the new chain and use the tractor to install them on the tracks. And then I made my homemade press to press the master pin on the chain and connect the two end links together. The press I made is made of 1 inch thick plate, and I drill it so the all thread will go through the chain as you see in this picture. And then when I pressed it all the way in, I use an open end wrench to make sure both sides they space out the same. I have to beat it a lot with the hammer. I use a sledgehammer, and it went in. It took about 15 minutes for each side. After I installed both chain, I ran the bulldozer for a little bit to make sure everything operates smoothly before I install the shoe. This used to be the rear hitch, that disc or something. I'm gonna replace it with this. It's gonna go on all 12 bolts at the differential box, and here where I'm gonna put the pin, 2 of them. I'm gonna weld chain hook over here, so it will be easy to drag something or pull something out. And it's actually gonna make good step to fill the diesel tank. I'm gonna weld it together and put it in today. I got it all welded, however I forgot to buy chain hook, so it's gonna have to wait till next weekend to put it on the dozer. That's VS that. Look nice actually. The tracks on, they've been tensioned. All the shoe being grounded. And I'm going to put everything on. I'll see how long it will take. I hit these with a wire brush. This one had a chipped tooth. I made a crown for it. So I'm a dentist now. I did wire brush where the shoe gonna get in contact with the chain. They had a thick layer of paint on it, and I think with vibration and impact, the paint gonna get loose, and then the chain will be, the bolt lose their torque,
so it's a clean contact. They were brushed and they're ready to go in. These are the track bolts, 1/2 inch by 20. And these are the nuts for them, square nuts. They made by ITR. I like this. Look pretty good. I'm gonna have to make a pin for it. No leak on the final drives. Everything good. I have to change the cutting edge. I cannot lose the bolts, so I have to bring the torch and cut the old bolts. No more leaks. The old cutting edge. I tried to build some weld on it, but it's done. The other one about 2 inches wider. It's touching the bottom of the blade. Either tomorrow or next weekend I'm gonna change the cutting edge on it, and then I'm gonna finish this root rake for it, and I may paint it to make it all one color. I'm gonna paint it green and maybe even camouflage it. And it's done. I clean here, so I will have a flat surface and I don't have to worry about fire when I weld and cut. When I started, the chain used to touch the blade. That's how much the idler wore out.